Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to make your video go viral on YouTube. First and foremost, let's be clear: there's no magic formula or secret trick to guarantee virality. However, there are some strategies you can use to increase your chances. 1. Quality content. The most important factor is creating high quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. 2. SEO. Optimize your video title, description, and tags for search engines. 3. Social media. Share your video on all your social media platforms and encourage your followers to do the same. 4. Collaborations. Partner with other creators in your niche to reach a wider audience. 5. Consistency. Regularly upload content, as consistency can help build a loyal following. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is to be patient, persistent, and always provide value to your viewers. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and good luck.